Hello YouTube, Sam here from youtube.com/onlivegamer for the new Boston. And in this tutorial, we're going to be taking a look at a couple of things. We're going to look at getting special directories from the computer and also setting attributes for files. So you can even write hidden files to a computer to store information that you don't want the user to change by accident. So let's go ahead and delete this right here from Form 1 load. And what we're going to do is we're going to get the My Documents folder. So we'll type textbox1 dot text, and we're going to set that equal to my dot computer dot file system dot special directories dot, and you can see that we have desktop, my documents, my music, my pictures, program files, programs, temp, and a whole bunch of other stuff. We're going to be using my documents. So now what we need to do is we need to read a file from that. So we'll type file dot read all text, and we're going to use the path from my documents. Now we're going to need to add a string to this. So in order to allow us to use the backslash, we have to type the @ character backslash hello dot text. And let's see here. Looks like I was getting my C# mixed up with Visual Basic. We don't actually need the @ character right there. So we're going to read all the text from my documents and then hello dot text. So let's go ahead and open up my documents, and I will find hello dot text. So here it is right here. We'll just write some stuff in there. YouTube, Visual Basic. We'll go ahead and save that, close out. Okay, so now let's go ahead and run this. And you can see that it's going to load OnLiveGamer, YouTube, and Visual Basic into our textbox1.text. So we can also use, like I said, we can get pictures, we can get program files, whatever you want. And this is very useful if you want to get certain files from the computer and you don't know where those will be. Let's say you're distributing your app and not everybody's going to use the same folder for My Documents. So you're going to want to use this to get special directories. Now we can also set attributes of a file to make it hidden. So now that we've read all the text of this, let's go ahead and make it hidden. So file dot set attributes, and for the first argument we're going to need path as string. So we'll just type my computer dot file system dot special directories dot my documents. Then we'll go ahead and get hello dot text. For our second argument, we're going to need our file attributes. So since we've already imported system.io, all we need to do is type file attributes instead of system.io.file attributes. And you can see here that we've got archive, compressed, device, directory, encrypted, hidden, normal, offline, whatever we want. Now let's go ahead and set this to hidden. So let's go ahead and run this. It's going to load everything into our text box. And let's close out of that and head back into the My Documents folder. And let's see, where is hello? It is not there. Let me set this to, pretty sure I have it set to view hidden. So let's view hidden files and folders, and hello is there. It is hidden. Let me shrink this down a bit for you. So here is our hello file, and you can see that it has a sort of transparent text document right there. Now that means that it is hidden. So go ahead, play around with getting special directories and setting file attributes. And then once you've done that, go ahead and move on to the next tutorial.